Hello friends, today I'm going to share how you can make this very easy nautical toenail art design. I had seen such designs by Yagala and some other nail artists and I decided to create them on my own toenails. So for this design, all you need is white polish. Apply a layer of white polish and then I added a layer of top coat and let it dry completely. Then I used striping tape and around on the 2/3 mark I added the striping tapes as shown. Since I wanted a slightly thicker white lines, I used double striping tapes because I had a thin striping tape, and then I added a layer of metallic blue polish over the striping tapes. I waited for a second or two to let it dry a little bit, and then while the polish is still wettish, I removed the striping tape to get the lines. If you wait for a second or two after applying the polish, the lines are neat and the liquid polish doesn't smudge too much. After this, I took my stamping plate and I used this anchor design, and you can use deep blue or even brown color for this anchor, and I took that on my stamper head and I placed that on the white area of my nail. If you do not have this stamping plate, you can easily draw this. Just make a V shape and a line on top with a dot. Then I cleaned up the excess polish on the sides of my nail. And once the polish dries up completely, I applied a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. And while the top coat is still wet, I took two rhinestones and I added it on the blue stripes of my nail. Once you are satisfied with the placement of the rhinestone, press it down a little bit so that the rhinestone stays strongly bound to the nail. For my next toenail, I used this striping tape on the white polish and I gave two tapes because I wanted a slightly thicker line, and then I applied the metallic blue polish on this nail also. Waited for a second or two, and while the polish is still wet, I removed the striping tape to get the white line, as you can see. On the rest of my toenails, I added the metallic blue polish over the white base coat so that the polish pops out a little bit more. And here's a cool trick that I'm going to show you. While applying polish on the toenails, we usually smudge a little bit, so you can use a toothpick or a dotting tool and simply swipe off from the cuticle area. There you can see it again over here. If you have smudged a little bit towards the cuticle, then simply take the dotting tool and wipe it off and you will get a neat cuticle line. I gave two layers of this blue polish and remember to cap the edges as shown. And when all the nail polish has dried up, I finally applied another layer of top coat, especially on the big toenail. It's a must if you want the rhinestones to stay on for longer. And I applied the top coat on the rest of my nails also to keep the pedicure on for longer. So that's the end of this very easy toenail art design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.